Hey weirdos, what's going on? Welcome back to the EVIL LAIR. Love having you here. As you probably saw in the title, we're going to make a hologram machine, a hologram fan, if you will. And we're just going to use some junk that I recently found. For all you big brain people out there, there's a schematic that we're going to be following. We're going to have about 240 LEDs running this thing, but we're going to keep it very small, little tiny LEDs. And we're going to make it out of stuff that people have discarded. Like this iPad right here. I think my wife lost a battery charger for it. There's good stuff in here, graphics cards and stuff like that. PC motor kit, some electronic components. I'm sure you have a junk drawer filled with these, so we'll be using these. 52-inch LED TV. This is where I'm probably going to be getting most of my parts from, actually. So definitely let me know what you think of the music. Right, we'll play some cool music for you and get that rolling. So let's get started. Let's just do it. Let's take this thing apart. You get to see me destroy stuff. That's pretty cool.
Mountains on the kids blue.
Yeah. Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay. At the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party. And it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party. And it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you.
If the mountains on the cans blue, need one for both hands, baby, grab two. Lay out on the front and get your tan on. Water to my knees, 100 deep out of the sandbar. No keeping track of time, fuck a last call. Eyes on the prize, everyone looking like who she? Maybe off one in that two-piece. Water pit is my intentions, I could make it splash. What's the cost of risking it all? I can pay in cash. It feels right. Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good times coming our way, oh yeah.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay. At the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party. And it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party. And it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you. If it's okay, you can slide. You can slide any way that you like. It's a try-tune, take you on a ride. Making waves all day through the night. Hit the sandbar, baby, I can stand up.
It feels right. Drop the anchor down, we'll be here for a while. Got me thinking about all the good times coming our way, oh yeah.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shawty. It's okay. At the lake, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party. And it's about to go down.
Ooh, put it on me. She my little pontoon shorty. On the way to the lake, ooh yeah, it's a party. It's a motherfucking party. And it's about to go down.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma gon' pull you closer. If it's okay with you.
Pass me a cold one. We're only getting older, so I'ma go. If it's okay with you. On the lake all day. All day.
Okay, so what was all that destruction for? Let me show you what I pulled out of this thing. One, the remote sensor, resistors and some diodes, graphics card, some other graphic cards, the card slot, and memory chips, resistors, transistors, and I'll need some of this computing power in here too, which I'll be soldering off and putting onto another circuit board. There's easier ways to do this, I promise you. You can just buy one, but what's the fun in that, right? Start taking off the things we need here with a soldering iron, starting a pile of that, so when this thing comes in, we can start resoldering it back in and then reprogramming it. That's, again, there's easier ways to do this, but I think I spent enough money on this. Having a circuit board shaped like a propeller that can withstand speeds to generate an image. That's not cheap. So let me take this quick second to say thank you if you bought anything from Coffee Brand Coffee or from my merch store or one of my comic book sales over at People's Auction House. That's what funds these projects, so we can make cool stuff and bring it to you. So definitely thank you again for that. So let's get to soldering, or unsoldering. Unsoldering would be the term here. Yeah, all right, let's do it.
Shining under city lights, all this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a try, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a test and yeah, let me write. I just took a test and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women I'll be bad because the fuck was nice. Yeah, I must admit that this ain't overnight. I just hit the double with the jackpot. I'm in the snow, this in New England, but I'm dying high. Now I'm addict for the music when I can't stop. Ain't gon' let me anywhere to ask me. Ask a favor with a shout out to gas me. Really, they ain't take a risk, but want the outcome. Then asking how come. I've been shining under city lights. All this doubt around me, then but look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck is where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a time.
Put my all in this, I call the shots, I never call it quits. Trust my intuition, bet it's right and bitch it often is. Seen too many others come and go, they had the wrong intent. Do it out of love and never for it, then I watch it get bigger than expected, don't second guess it, I let it set it. It's God's plan, we out here only accepting blessings. I'm stuck with it, this mindset is terminal. In and out different terminals, leveling up is personal. And I already made it, y'all can miss me.
Okay, so we got my circuit board in. Remember when I said I wanted the propeller to also be the circuit board, so when it's spinning, that's where the light, everything's contained in there. And my friend came through, check this out. Oh, look at that. Oh, he does good work. That is clean. And then we got our LEDs across the top here. So 240 of these will create the holographic image there as it spins. So what I need to do now is I need to create the programming for it, well, the computer part of it, if you will. So what we're going to do is I made kind of a rough circuit board with a lot of the things that we've had. This thing's rough, I know, but whatever, DC there. And I got a few other things I need to put into here just to help control various parts of the power and stuff like that involved in it, and the microchip. So yeah, we're going to see if this works. It's janky looking, but I'm thinking once it's in the housing, no, you won't even see it. So yeah, let's break out the soldering iron, do some soldering. Okay.
Yeah, live from the Hush House. Where else? Look, New Amsterdam blended with the Pedialyte. Take a picture if you see me tonight. It'll be worth it, I told her I'm blowing up. She ain't believing the hype. Thought she was smart, she thinking that encyclopedia, used to the response of, yeah, that's what they all say, but they ain't all in for the long game. Here today and I'm here tomorrow, an enclave in my peer group to stand out. You gotta part ways, all states. I'ma have a tour touching all states, and you know on this shirt with signatures on every chest, Sharpie golden and cursive. Their emotions on 10, can't control it in person. If she replies back, get your head out the clouds. I revoke an invite to my session in town. I don't need that, it's too far-fetched bullshit. Expect believing me and I ain't letting them down. Y'all do it for a hobby, we ain't messing around. So we cannot work if you don't wanna mention amounts. The high horse set to be mount, my spurs sharp. Y'all comfortable at ground level with the nurse sharks. And when I shoot for the stars, it's a burst shot. Her skirt soft in her thigh, got a birthmark. Said that she yours, dog, I didn't have to search hard. We getting loose and she only off a third claw. Teagues with the bird dog, we run the smoothest plays. We hit a pair of best friends, just a room away. High off life, gave her permission to stick a vein. Just had to pray the period didn't show up a minute late. Been hitting weights, feeling good when I hit the stage. Galaxy got Jaeger flowing, gotta misbehave. Out of this world performance, fuck did you expect? Only hits from my fans like I'm Willie Mays, making the city shake. I could register on the Richter. She on lock with somebody else, but I picked her. laying the wood down, timber. Damn, this too strong of a mixture. So I blend it with the Pedialyte. Take a picture if you see me tonight. It'll be worth it. I told her I'm blowing up. She ain't believing I'm right. Thought she was smart. She thicker than encyclopedia. Used to the responsive, yeah, that's what they all say. But they ain't all in for the long game. Here today and I'm here tomorrow. The enclave in my peer group to stand out. You gotta part ways. Yeah. Hey.
Okay, I hope that's it. So we're gonna test this out. I added 2 other spinning lighty fan things too. We're gonna check it out, make sure it's a hologram. Oh, I'm excited. We got people behind the camera watching too. They're all being quiet. So, shh. So I'm just gonna let the entire video montage that I put together just play out, and we'll record it with you, and we'll play some of that music in there.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. Yeah, and we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
And I bet everyone's looking. Yeah. Didn't take long, locked eyes when I walked into you. Feeling of your red cup. And we got the same thing, probably like the same things. Didn't speak a word, but you know what's up. That connection is what you crave. You prayed on something to change. Fucked over 1,000 times, think everyone's the same. But it's not the case right here, right now. The first sight shit is no joke.
I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. Yeah, and we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it.
And I'm feeling truthful right now, thinking I should do something right now. Lasso you up, getting buck wild. Yeah, I'm finna do something right now. Bounce. Tell the gang I'm out, call the lift up, lift you up. I go to town, stay for a while. They drop the ball, I hold it down. I'm playing center, but you the center of attention. I know you get the message, and the way I'm focused where the lens is. Custom made for me the metrics, show you fit right in the schedule. And girl, you fit like Lululemon, and yeah, lost for words, tell me who's running first, no mistakes. Girl, you crossing me, what's got it work?
And we going and going and going, it's a good night. Baby, let it roll like the good times. Smoking and pouring, I'm focused on you, yeah. You can see it, everyone can see it. I could be your alpha, I could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma for that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it, yeah.
Alright guys, that's it. I'm chucking this one in the bag and I'm calling it done. Just in time for Baltimore Comic-Con. Alright guys, make sure you check out Coffee Brand Coffee. Links in the description. Merch shop down below as well. If you got any ideas, definitely comment down below. And I'll see you in the next episode of The Evil Lair. Alright guys, take it easy. Bye. I'm a goddamn genius.
Okay. Well, have fun.
Who else is building holograms in their garage? So now what we gotta do is we gotta program it. We got lights flashing, but it's just not, it's not there. So I'm just gonna edit, reprogramming the memory on it, because that's not fun. It's the longest part of this video without even seeing it. It's weird. All right, let's do it.